In this History Illustrated video, we're going to take a quick look at the word economy. I say a quick look because it's a very long and complicated answer, so we're just going to try to simplify it to where we can understand the main idea and a few of the key words associated with it. So let's go ahead and start out with this one here. I have drawn a factory here because they are a producer, and this is one of the key words here, producer or production. Somebody that basically makes things. Someone write makes here. Somebody or something that makes things. Now, these people that are making things have to be able to give these things to somebody that wants them. So I'm just going to use people here. They're going to be a consumer, which means they buy things. So I'm going to put some money because that's going to go between the two of them. So money would go this way, and the producer would be earning money for the things that they produce, and people are going to buy them. Now, the story of money becomes much more complicated here because we know that the money goes to the factory, then the factory is going to use that money to buy things, to make some more things so they can send it to more people so they can earn more money back to them, and it's going to continue over and over and over. So the story gets very complicated. So I'm going to give you a couple of more keywords just to focus on. Some of them would be goods. Now the word goods basically means things. These are things that you can actually hold in your hand and buy. Goods. So a producer will make goods, people will consume goods, and the other word that you need to know is services. So services are things that you can purchase as well or a producer can make, but you can't really hold them in your hand. A service would be something that someone's going to do for you. Now, the word economy can get much more complicated than this, but if you can remember that there is a producer and a consumer, and there's an exchange of money going on, and this happens back and forth with many different people, many different businesses, and many different countries, you will be doing a great job. Now, there's one last thing I need to make sure that you understand about the word economy. I'm going to change my color here so that it stands out a little bit better. There is going to be government involvement, which means the government can step in and make laws that change the way all of this happens. They could say, nope, you can't do things that way. You can't produce that certain material. These people over here cannot have this. They will change the laws on them. Some countries may make it to where there are no laws at all, and you can do anything you want. We would call that a free market or a free enterprise economy. Other countries or other governments may control every single thing about the economy, and that would lend itself more to like a communism type economy where the government controls it all. Now, that's a very simple definition of economy. I know it's a very complex drawing and a lot of things were said here, but if you can just remember producer, consumer, goods, and services, you'll be off to a great start.